Our smartphones are equipped with smart features and the latest technologies, which consume a lot of charges. To get tension-free usage, you need to carry a portable charger. There's a lot of portable chargers in the market with different capacity. So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at top 5 best portable chargers in 2021. The last product is something unique. If you wanna find out what it is, check out an in-depth review of the best portable charger in 2021. So make sure to stick around till the end. At number 5 in our list is PowerAdd 10,000. For all you folks who want to get a product that delivers the best, we have singled out the PowerAdd 10,000, the best value power bank available in the market in 2021. PowerAdd Energy Cell has only a USB output, but it's a great choice as a compact design emergency battery. The quality of processing is good and the scope of deliveries is also convincing. The product operates as an external battery with a capacity of 10,000 mAh. This provides sufficient power for the most popular tech items right now. In addition to the necessary charging cable with a micro USB, the manufacturer also packs a stylish bag. PowerAdd 10,000 comes in black and provides compatibility with iPhone, Samsung, and many other smartphones. Even if it's not a thin design, the charger reaches a length of only 4 inches and a weight of only 6 ounces. The USB-A output is available that provides a charging current of up to 5 volts and 2.4 amperes. The power supply can be charged via micro USB. If you need an emergency bank that can easily store in your pocket of your pants or jacket, this PowerAdd model will work like a charm. At number 4 in our list is MAXOAK 50,000. MAXOAK portable battery is a top-notch device and comes with a huge capacity of 50,000 mAh. If you want your power bank to be full-on powerhouse, then this one is for you. According to the manufacturer, charging the power bank itself takes only an incredible 6 hours. The MAXOAK 50,000 can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. In addition to 4 outputs, the MAXOAK 50,000 has a 12-volt and 20-volt output for charging almost all electronic devices in the household. Also, the MAXOAK is quite light and small due to its performance class. With a weight of about 2.9 pounds, it fits comfortably in any backpack. At number 3 in our list is Anker PowerCore 2000. Anker PowerCore 2000 is one of the best power banks that you can buy in 2021. The best feature of this power bank is the Power IQ and voltage boost technology, which ensures that your device charges at the fastest possible speed. This power bank itself can be fully charged in about 10 hours. Given the power of 2000, you'll be impressed by how light it is with just a weight of 12 ounces. Anker PowerCore support 2 USB ports so you can plug in your charging cables and charge 2 devices at once. Thanks to the trendy matte finish, the battery fits perfectly in the hand and effectively resists fingerprints. The product boasts great portability with rounded edges, so it's very easy to carry. It can also charge some laptops and MacBooks, but it's worth noting that all the devices are not compatible. The PowerCore 2000 is also able to charge most small devices several times, such as your smartphone. At number 2 in our list is AUKEY 20,000. The AUKEY 20,000 gives a top-notch first impression with its stylish design. AUKEY comes with tremendous power in its slim design with 3 different inputs and 4 outputs. It's a perfect companion in every situation, allowing users to use it very flexibly. LEDs are permanently displayed during charging. They start flashing when the battery is almost empty. Also, the possibility of simultaneous charging and discharging from connected consumers is particularly practical. In this way, the AUKEY 20000 also serves as a USB distribution plug during travel. In addition to the power bank itself, the package also includes a USB-A to USB-C cable. With many advantages, unfortunately, there is one drawback. Quick charging technology is not yet supported with this power bank, but if you do not use such devices that support quick charging, then this power bank is best for you. At number 1 in our list is RAVPower 6700. RAVPower 6700 mAh power bank does what it needs to do precisely, conveniently, and in the budget. The capacity of 6700 mAh covers the majority of popular devices in the market right now. The connectors are firmly made and the cables can be easily plugged and unplugged without any looseness. The power bank is suitable for everyday use, whether you are traveling, hiking, camping, and much more. With its 5 ounces of weight, you won't even feel this guy in your pocket or backpack. Despite its small size, the pocket battery delivers up to 2.4 amperes by 5 volts. Thanks to the charging indicator, the RAVPower 6700 also shows how much power is in the tank with 4 LEDs. RAVPower Smart technology automatically detects the ideal charging current and adapts to it to the device to achieve the fastest possible charging speed. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.